hey, you just got affiliate on Twitch? Congrats, dude. That's awesome. What's that? You can upload your own custom Twitch emotes now? That's amazing. Wait, what? You don't know how to make them or even upload them? Well, guess what? I'm going to show you how to make them, export them, and it will be quick and easy. Let's go! Let's roll! Let's make some fun emotes today. I'll be covering how to make the emotes and how to even upload regular pictures too. Since a lot of you will be drawing, you can pick any digital art program that you are most comfortable with. I'll be using Procreate for this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can learn more and do more cool art things. Learn more cool art things and talk about animation with me. Please let me know. All right, let's make a plan. Here, we're going to do some research, create a quick image board and use it as a reference, then create the canvas, make a list of expressions, sketch out your idea, do the line art, add the color, export your work to upload to Twitch. All right, let's find some references. Don't just go in blind, guys. Most emotes use the chibi style, and I've saved it on my little image reference board here. I also like Yokai Watch, and I'd really like to make myself in this style. I even saved some expressions and some emoji templates to inspire me. Let's move on to our art program and open our canvas to make it 500 by 500 pixels. Or 1,000 by 1,000. Honestly, bigger is better for clearer quality. But we're just going to stick with a simple 500 by 500 now. I was told that the largest size would be better just in case if you want to animate those same emotes or even have them as alerts. For expressions, I want goofy, angry, crying, blushing, and the meme face. Their faces honestly make me laugh. Time to sketch out your idea. Let's make different file folders for each expression and start sketching. I'm going to speed this process up here so you can see everything that I've done. Next is the line art. If you want to know why my lines are so smooth and consistent, I use the brush Almost Monoline Outliner. I had purchased this one, and there's monoline in Procreate, so you could just use that if you want to be one-to-one with me. In all honesty, use any brush that is comfortable for you. Hi, Editing Yoko here. I did the outline and coloring at the same time. Sometimes when I get in the groove, when I'm making stuff, I forget. But usually it's sketch, outline, color. But you can do it however you want. This is just my process of making emotes. All right, back to the video. Now let's zoom out on whatever program you're using. I'm just gonna pinch out here. Check to see the quality of the emote. If it looks a little blurry, you might want to make adjustments. But if it doesn't, you did good. Export your work as a JPG file or JPEG file. Most emote artists export their work large and then upload them to an image resizer program. If you want to export in your own image program one by one, here are the sizes right here. Honestly, you want to keep the original as it is. You can resize your art in the art programs that you use, but you want to keep the original. So uploading your work to an image resizer can really help. If you want to upload a random image from online somewhere and then upload it to Twitch, but it's too big, you can upload it to Streamfrogs. There's an emote resizer, badge resizer, bitrate calculator, channel points ideas. It's pretty awesome. Click the emote resizer. It says click to select an emote or drag and drop. I'm just going to click it. Now it resized it for me, but it gives me 3 sizes. You should select the 112 pixels. I noticed when I selected the lower resolution one, it didn't upload as crisp. So we'll do this. And now let's head back to Twitch. All right. Now that you have everything done, we can upload our images to Twitch. So to get there, you go to Viewer, Rewards, Emotes, and then you get 5 free ones. There's also a tier list here, so you can upload depending on what tiers are here. Make sure to read everything that is available. What I'd like to do, I already uploaded one, and the best part is Twitch has updated so that way you don't have to use an image resizer program all the time. It really does depend on what you're uploading. Because this is a static image, this is perfect. So let's upload our new one. I'm gonna click the plus. And very easy, upload your emote. You're gonna click this and make sure auto resize is on. And then follow these directions. Please upload your image and it will be automatically resized. This image must have a maximum file size of 1 megabyte, be of a resolution of 112, and for 4096, 4096, not be animated, be a square shape. We hit all of these bells and whistles here, all these check marks. So all we have to do is upload. Now that this little cute creature / moi is uploaded, just label it. And then we're going to go down. You're going to check to see the preview of what your emote looks like in light and dark mode. It doesn't look blurry at all. It looks pretty good. And then click upload. And then voila. Now, when you upload your emote though, it'll say it's pending. You got to make sure that obviously you're not stealing from someone or that it's inappropriate. I guess it's just cross-checking these Twitch emotes, which is very fair. But you have so much to work with. All right. If you want to upload your image and not use auto resize, you have to upload to these parameters. So you got to export images 112, 56 by 56, 28 by 28. Okay. You have to upload each one of these. So I went to Steam Frogs. I downloaded Mr. Bean right here just for fun, just to give you an example. And you must click on each one of these, right? And then you go back to Twitch. It will not upload if you don't add all 3 and then label it. So you just label it. All right. And then look at the preview, click upload, and bam, bada bing, bada boom. You just have to wait pending approval and you're done. And that's all it takes to upload a random picture on the internet that you've edited for fun. And that's it. They're in. Now they're looking cute. They're looking amazing. And your followers can have fun with you. Wow, you're a real streamer now. Look at all these custom emotes. I hope this helped you. And dude, like and subscribe for more. If you're an artist or an animation enthusiast, check out my playlists here. It's free. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye-bye.